Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the alternator belt on this 2005 Hyundai Elantra. This car has a 2.0 liter engine in it, and this procedure is the same for many of these era Elantras. The only tools you'll need are 10 and 12 millimeter sockets. Wrenches would work as well, and you might need a piece of pipe for some extra leverage, as you'll see.
Using a 10 millimeter socket wrench to remove negative in the battery. Set that aside. Alright, I've located the 12 millimeter bolt that holds the adjuster on the alternator. I'm going to slack off that. I'm using a pipe for extra leverage. And I've located the lower nut for the alternator right here, right next to the oil filter. Use my 12 millimeter and a wrench on my pipe for extra leverage. And I'm taking the tension off the adjuster, the 12 millimeter wrench. And with my tensioner loose, I can push the alternator forward and sneak the belt off.
An alternative is to go in and take your splash shield off that's underneath, or I'm sorry, behind your passenger side front tire, and there are two 10 millimeter bolts that hold that on. You can see one's located near the front, one's located near the back. Once you have those, you can pull that out. This will make it a lot easier to get the belt back on.
Put the alternator belt back up. I'm going to get it on the top pulley first, and around the alternator, and around the crank.
Okay, I'm going to fast forward here slightly. The belt's back on, and now we're retightening that tensioner, and you basically want to tighten it up until you can grab the belt between the pulleys, and you should be able to move the belt up and down between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch, actually closer to 1/8 of an inch. Once it's that tight, then you can use your 12 millimeter and tighten the bolt that's on the back of the tensioner that goes into the alternator.
I'm tightening up the lower nut on the alternator. I'm reconnecting the battery.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.